What's up? Another Joe's Golden Garage auction find. (2011) Honda CRV, 236,000 miles. New car trade-in at the Acura store. Cold air conditioning. Does have a crack in the windshield. No check engine lights. It's got a maintenance light just because it's time for an oil change. Says 10%. This thing is immaculate, spotless. It's got a new set of Michelin tires on it too. Looks really good. Let's take it for our little test drive, and I'll get out and do a walk around down here. It was a little crowded where this one was parked. Oh man, this thing shifts good. I know why Honda CRVs bring so much money. They sell for so much at the auction. Because this car with almost 250,000 miles on it feels like a new car. I mean, it is just so tight. No rattles. Maybe a little squeak in the back, but nothing to complain about, really. I haven't driven one of these in a while, and this thing feels really light on its feet. I like it. Pretty cool. This one's got a factory navigation. Let's see if it's got backup camera. Yep, got backup camera. So this is an EXL with leather. Pop the hood, do a little walk around. It's got a few dents in the hood. Man, look at that rolling coal, baby. Looks good under here, just kind of dirty. Needs a little steam clean. Man, runs great. What a neat old CRV. Like I said, it's got good looking Michelins on it. Got just a few dents and dings, very few. Just a straight, clean car. A few little dents on the hood, but nothing bad. This thing's nice. That's what the back seat looks like. Oh yeah, it's real clean back here. Headliner and all's in good shape. Rolling coal, baby. Yeah. It's got heated seats. This car's got a lot of life left in it. This would be a great little commuter car. Man, I am slap out of gas. Pretty peppy. This is a little slow to get rolling, but once it got rolling, it'll go. Smooth shifting, automatic. Little 4-cylinder is just slick as a button. This is a nice CRV. I mean, to have so many miles on it, it is very nice. To the floor, a little slow to get rolling, but then she rolls on. She rolls out pretty good, not bad. I see why these are so popular. And on the used car market, they're pretty expensive. Anyway, that's it for this one. I'll see you with the next one. Peace.